So I want to do a quick video. As many of you know, we've been remodeling. See, we're not quite done. That's where the door used to be. So on my video from Wednesday, and you can go check it out. And actually, I sat in the same place for all my videos this week, so you'll be able to reference. But we changed up the office. I was storing everything because from the bedroom in here. Anyway, the built-ins are on the other side. So on my Wednesday video, when I asked, what is clutter costing you? Someone said, look behind you. And so I want to address that. And what I said was, those are my books I use frequently and my medicinal teas. If you've been a long-time follower, you know I was studying plant medicine. Those books are on grammar that I use for coaching, things that I use frequently. So I just responded, you know, I use everything and it's organized. Now, maybe to this person, they're a minimalist. So to them, it was clutter, and that's okay. I'm not a minimalist, and I never claimed to be. And it might not be super Martha Stewart organized, but I don't want to be super Martha Stewart organized. I want to be organized good enough so I can find that tea, so I can find that book. If you use it, it's not clutter. And sometimes if you're hyper organized, that takes you more time because it can be overwhelming. And if you don't know your system, if you don't have a little cheat sheet there, like it's one small bookshelf, for me to hyper organize, that would be overkill. So remember, it's all about doing you. If you're using it, it's not clutter. Is your organization good enough that you can find what you need when you need it? So just some thoughts. And again, feel free to comment. I love it. More so when you're nice and not being sarcastic, but do you?